Hey everyone, it's Candace from Divine Breath Yoga, here to offer another sunset series. I'm doing a 9-day novena leading up to getting diagnosed and hopefully making a treatment plan at MD Anderson in Houston, Texas. I got a Christmas present of being diagnosed with pseudomyxoma peritonei cancer. And so we need to figure out a way ahead. And so my coping technique is to sit and savor God's goodness. And so I invite you, whatever time of day it is, find a source of light, whether it's a candle, whether it's the sun outside, whether it's sparkly Christmas lights. Find some light or turn down the light and imagine light instead. And as you find that light, I want you to find a comfortable rest. It might be laying down, it might be reclining, it might be seated, but support your body. Find a place where you can relax and melt in. And then as your body is supported, see if you can support it a little bit more. Lengthen your back, relax your shoulders, find a nice neutral place, maybe a headrest for your head. And with your body supported, see if you can support your whole body health by taking some deep, full breaths. I like to call these our mountaintop moments, and that's why I like to sit at sunset, to just breathe in this mountaintop light, the goodness. And I do actually have a mountain range behind me. It's the Waianae Mountains on the southwest side of the island of Oahu, Hawaii. And so as you come and settle into a mountaintop moment, start to notice your breath and encourage your breath to grow a little bit more deep, a little more full as you are able. Listen to your body when it says to go back to a normal, natural breath or to take a pause. Take that pause. But tonight I invite you to practice something called box breath. And box breath is a technique to lower anxiety. And it's a way that we can practice controlling our breath. And right now I'm the yoga teacher who's out of breath. And so a 4-part breath is very challenging for me. So I'm trying to practice gentle kindness. But what you do with this 4-part breath is you feel your breath move in for as long of a count as you're able. So it might be a count of 2, it might be a count of 4, it might be a count of 5, breathing in. And then maybe you hold that breath for a similar count across your box. As you breathe out for a similar count down your box. And maybe you hold on the way across. So breathing in, perhaps holding. Breathing out, perhaps holding. Sometimes that hold makes us feel dizzy, and that's a sign that you need to just breathe in, minor hold, breathe out. But if it feels okay to find an equal rhythm to your box breath, play with that. Again, it's your practice, your body, your breath. If it's too challenging, too frustrating, just focus on the feeling of that breath going in and out of your nose, the tickle that it makes. Savoring a mountaintop moment breath. Feeling your breath go in, filling you with strength and life. Holding, savoring that breath of life. And breathing out. That letting go, and then making space by holding out that breath so that the body yearns for that new breath in. It's feeling that box breath. Breathe at a pace that works for you. Sometimes imagining that box in your mind can help quiet, find that stillness, that box going in and out. And as you breathe that box breath, maybe your box becomes a gift. And you breathe in the light. And you let the light fill into your box, a beautiful gift of light. So take a few box breaths that fill your box with the gift of life, the breath of life. Imagine that light coming into your box, your breath, your body, your mind, filling you with that gift of the breath of life. And the wrapping on this box breath present is to imagine a big, beautiful, light-filled ribbon wrapping around your box. And maybe you pick a word that is your ribbon. I like to find joy tonight. My sunset moment, my breath, bringing joy to wrap around my box. Divine joy brings joy in all circumstances. I got to tell you, I'm going through quite a storm. So I need this gift of joy. Scripture says, the joy of the Lord is our strength. So we breathe in that beautiful gift, the light of life, bringing us joy, or any other word that you need your breath of life box to capture. So take some more breaths. Let that beautiful box of joy-filled light get wrapped in beautiful light, wrapped in joy. Then I invite you to take that beautiful box of joy-filled light and breath of life and breathe that gift and hold it to your heart. And maybe you even bring your hand to your heart. I've got a broken thumb. The joy of the Lord is my strength in all circumstances. Hold that gift to your heart. Savor that beautiful light-filled gift that you have wrapped with the light of life, with the breath of life. We are still alive and breathing and filled with gratitude and joy. Now you might be hearing the feral roosters coming to rest at sunset behind me. It's one of those things that sparks joy in my day when I sit here savoring God's beautiful creation. It's to hear those things, even the squawking of a red jungle fowl is what my birding app calls these feral chickens and roosters here in Hawaii. So find those little things throughout your day that spark joy. Pause whenever you're able to breathe in that breath of life. Make a beautiful box, a present, wrap up a word that strengthens you. This is our practice, my friends. Just find mountaintop moments to celebrate the breath of life throughout our day and to fill our heart with those beautiful gifts. God is a good gift giver. Receive those gifts. Notice those gifts and give thanks for the gifts. So our gentle practice here is just a short one to remind you to find the light, receive the light, and then be the light that the world needs to see. Share the light and see the light in others. Be kind to yourself and to one another. Peace be with you, my friends. Take care.